Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a moving fade in and fade out text with glow effect in CapCut. So in here, you just need to prepare your edits or your clips, or you can use a black background like this, like I did, and then just write your text with your favorite font. So here I'm going to select this fonts right here, and after that you can just copy the text but put the second one a little bit later than the first one. Okay, so put it like this, and now click on the first text and select the second word and lower the opacity into 0. So go to style and make the opacity 0. Click on the check icon and now go to animation, click on in and choose fade in, and also on the out choose fade out. Okay, so now the text will look like this, and after that click on the second text, select the first word, and now lower the opacity into 0 like the first one. Go to animation and then add the animation like the first text. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon, so the text will go like this. And now just export the clip. So after that you can just start a new project and then add the clip that you just saved. Okay, so this is the clip, and go to effect, video effect, and find the distortion category, then select the ripple distortion effect. Set the speed into 10. Like this. Click on the check icon, apply it to all of your clips, and now for the glow effect you need to add the edge glow effect that can be found in the lens category. Here is the edge glow, and click on the check icon. So now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.